Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video description.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Cali Rebuildables. Okay guys, so I just got off work, so I'm gonna continue working on the Nissan pickup truck, and well, basically I'm gonna go through what I'm gonna be doing to the truck. If you have an old car that looks the same way like this, but not this, guys, so because this is something totally different. Look, this is well, this is bad, but I'm not talking about that right now. What I'm talking about is this part looks dull also, as you can see, but you can see the clear coming off. So if this is happening to your car, then you can't really fix this unless you re-clear it. But if you can't see that here, as you can see, there's no peeling, so that means the clear's still here. There's still some clear, it's just burned up by the sun. But if you have a car that looks like this, or a truck or whatever, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's got to stay that way. Because check this out, I don't know if you guys see the difference. See, it's glossier. I mean, it's not as glossy as this, but it's decent. Now we're gonna make this other half look like this part right here. Let me get a better angle so you guys can see. There it is. See that area? Check this out. So I mean, for a cheap truck, a cheap project, or a cheap car that you just want to flip or get rid of or sell or whatever, you could easily fix that. So that's what I'm gonna focus this video on. So we're gonna try to get all these areas, all those areas that I told you right now, to make this $400 truck look like a truck that's worth a little bit more. So what you're gonna need is gonna be 1500 grit sandpaper and a bucket of water. You're gonna need, of course, a polisher. It doesn't have to be like an expensive polisher. I believe it was like 200 and something, but you could get one of those at what's it called, Harbor Freight, for like 50 bucks. That's got that's variable speed. That's what you want, where you can switch up turn the speed up or down. And some of the rubbing compound, sanding block. You don't want to go too deep, because you got clear. I mean, this is your clear, just the top layer is burned up, so that's what you want to do. If you go right on top of the burnt stuff and polish it, it will not grab no shine. If you won't get no shine out of it. So you want to get rid of the burnt. Don't go too deep, because you're gonna go to the paint and you're gonna make it worse. So just throw some water on the area that you're gonna sand. Grab your block, your sandpaper, and just go over it.
Don't put too much pressure on it. Remember, you're trying to get the burnt here, the top layer off a little bit, something like this. So you're gonna do this on all the affected area.
That's it with the sanding, guys. We're gonna let it dry. It's gonna turn dull back again, so you can even feel it, like where it needs some sanding. It's gonna feel a little bit rougher, like right here. Make sure you try one of these areas first, and then try this, and it's gonna feel a lot smoother. So that's what you want. So there it is, pretty much dry. It dries pretty quick. So now we're gonna use the rubbing compound and the polisher.
Okay, so the rubbing compound, we're gonna set the polisher at 600. That's the lowest speed. But before you do that, make sure you rub that everywhere, because if you don't, you're just gonna start splashing. You're just gonna start splashing the rubbing compound everywhere. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, and then I'm gonna have to use both hands. we're gonna go higher. We're gonna bring it up to 1K, to 1,000. So there it is, guys. Check it out. Check this area. I'll put it like that. Check this area. And I still need to wipe it down with the microfiber. So I'm gonna get the microfiber. There it is. I mean, it's really hard to see it right there unless you go down. You need to hit it some spots right there, but check it out right here. See the reflection, guys? Now let's go down here. See? So it took me what, like maybe not even 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, and I'm gonna have this hood looking nicer. I mean, the dents are still there, the dings and stuff like that, but I mean, no polishing or no cleaning will get rid of those dings and dents. So you just gotta make whatever you can to make it look better. So let me get on this side. Check it out. Tell me that's not pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna continue doing that on this side. Remember, I already wet sanded this, so now I'm gonna hit it with the rubbing compound and the polisher. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna try to touch up part of the bed also. Let me show you guys the bed one more time. Well, let me show you this. So see that clear's gone. So yeah, I'm gonna touch that, go work my way out. Okay guys, so remember this side, how it was exactly like that. Well, look at it now. What's up guys, totally different day. Like I said, I'm gonna continue working on the Nissan. I'm gonna do this side. Like I said, this one's okay, door's okay, the little rear panel's okay, but the bed is not. Okay, as you can see, I already wet sanded. Let me get the buffer and the rubbing compound and hit that. Now on this side, I'll be using the same polisher, guys, but I'm gonna be using this compound mirror, McGuire's mirror glaze 1, because I guess they go by numbers. A medium cut cleaner, so that's what I'm gonna be using. I've always been using the other one that I showed you, the green one, this one. But like I said, I had this bottle. I bought it a while back, and I'm trying it. I kind of tried it on some other vehicles, but I don't remember liking it. That's why I keep this around. But this one's pretty full, so it was getting kind of empty. So I'm gonna switch it down to this one and let you guys know how I like it. Okay, there it is. Okay guys, I did that already using that compound. I don't know if you guys can see the shine. Yes, still little spots where I need to hit it, but what do you guys think? Okay guys, so there it is. As you can see, they're practically about the same, so it doesn't really matter which one you use. I don't know if you guys could notice the difference between that and this. Yeah, you guys can see the difference between that and this. Guys, I mean, it's not the best looking clear coat, but I mean, going from that to that, it's way better. Something you could do at home too. Like I said, that's not something that's done professionally. Maybe take it to the shop and try to get it better. Probably they'll do the same thing, but that's most likely something you could do at home. If you guys flipping cars or rebuilding cars, and sometimes you just gotta get your money out of the vehicle, and you don't want to spend that much money on it. Spend maybe like $15 to to hit the whole truck or the whole car and make it, you know, a lot better. I mean, it'll make a difference. So yeah guys, something you could do at home. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna show you where we're at. I'm done with this whole side. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And I'm also done with the tailgate. Look at the tailgate. Everything is shiny. Okay guys, so I'm done polishing the whole truck. As you can see, it's right there. Check it out. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see it. Okay, we're gonna start from this side. Check it out. Of course, the tailgate. I did the hood also. And this whole side. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the sun, but let me get on this side. There it is. Way better, guys. So I guess that's pretty much for this video, guys. I probably will be working on the interior a bit, because pretty much from the outside, I'll probably lower it too, you know, with the torsion bars, and make that thing look a little bit lower. Also, the interior is pretty dirty, so most likely I'm gonna be washing the carpet, removing the seats, and maybe even painting the carpet black. I don't know, but or the seats too. I don't know, just, you know, ideas that are popping in my head. But like I said, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hit the notification bell, subscribe if you haven't, hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, whatever makes you happy, and see you guys in the next one.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code CALI25. Link in video description.